Hey guys, welcome. I'm Renee with Global Expedition Vehicles, and this is a Global Expedition vehicle. We have here at Overland Expo East 2022, we have our Patagonia model. The platform here is a Kenworth K370 chassis that we've converted to four-wheel drive. The body, which is the part that we build, is called a Patagonia, and this one is a 19-foot. Living space, appointed very well. This particular truck was built in 2018. It's on a 2019 chassis, and it is for sale. So my husband and I started the company about 18 years ago by building our first truck. It was on a Mercedes Unimog, and lots changed in this industry in that time. So this is an amazing adventure for us. We are now part of the Storyteller group, and we're happy to be here and be glad to show you some of our products. Hey, welcome to our Patagonia model. So this is probably our most popular model. It's very versatile in that it can start at like 16 feet and go up to 22 feet. This is a 19-foot Patagonia. Tons of storage in this truck, so let's just talk about what you're seeing here. You've got a very spacious kitchen with a 4-foot wide window. This is our Armor Vision window, dual pane glass. Amazing window, made in Germany. One handle operation, and even has a venting position, but look how cool this is. Here's your screen system. And there's your blackout blind. Amazing. The only problem is if you have everything shut down at night, you don't know when it's morning. So you might oversleep. All of our Patagonias have either granite or quartz countertops. We use induction cooktops. We have never used propane, so we're one fuel. We use solar and then diesel for heating. The refrigerator is a drawer type marine refrigerator system, which we love because when you go off-road, candy's not for you. When we go off-road, all that stuff doesn't come piling out of the refrigerator after being on a bumpy road. So let's swing around and look at the front. We have several different layouts available on the Patagonia. This is probably the most popular. This dining booth is front dining booth with, again, very large glass windows, so tons of light up here. We also have the glass skylight, so this dining area is just full of light, and it's awesome, especially with the large pass-through that we can have with the Kenworth truck. This also makes into an auxiliary sleeping area, and we can do like an electric bunk bed up above if you really need to sleep, extra people. So ladies, this is our hidden gem. We have a Splendid combo washer dryer unit. What everybody needs, right? But if you're full-timing or just don't want to have to go to the coin laundry, you are carrying 160 gallons of water on this truck. So plenty of water to be able to take care of your laundry while you're out and about. Convection microwave oven, storage, tons of storage here. And then that will take us on to the bathroom. This is a typical wet bath for Global Expedition vehicles. We use a Thetford cassette toilet, and the wet bath means that your shower, toilet, and sink are all in the same space. We always have a skylight above to help dry the bathroom out. This particular customer had us add a window, and we've also added a hydronic towel heater in here. That towel heater's luxury, but it also functions as providing heat for the bathroom and helps dry it out in the wintertime. We have a dresser space here, hanging closet, and then drawers, and then a real home mattress that is queen size. So everybody wants, the real mattress. This is the real deal. We have the lights off right now because of the LED flicker you get, but our heart of our truck is powered by Mastervolt. We use Mastervolt components, inverters, solar charge controller, and then it's coupled with C-Zone digital switching and control system. Great system. We've been using the Mastervolt since 2012. Your electrical system is the heart of this, and it's something that we wish we'd had when we built our first truck in 2004. We went to South America. We were on AGM batteries, and it's just not the same as the electrical systems now. That first trip was a great experience. It was a great learning experience for us to help us understand, that, hey, you can get out there, you can do it. And we had a great time. That first truck was a Mercedes Unimog. We were down there for about a year, visited almost all the South American countries, learned to love the area, learned to love the people, and mostly learned that the kind of traveling that you can do in this type of a vehicle really brings a lot of nurturing to your soul, and just gives you the life experiences and the love for the places and the other people of the world. And I highly recommend it to everybody.